5% of our carbon emissions come from lawnmowers. So the native lawn is an alternative to traditional turfgrass lawns, and the goal of the project was to find out how we could develop a lawn alternative composed principally of native species. We wanted it to be a benefit to wildlife. We wanted it to have low or zero carbon emissions from less frequent mowing, something that was drought tolerant, didn't need to be watered, something that didn't need to use pesticides or fertilizers, and to consist principally of 85% or more native plant cover. Diversity is best. Our turf systems, they're all this monoculture focused, highly energy intensive approach. The beauty of the native lawn is that we have all these multiple dozen species keeping a lot of these turf weeds at very nominal amounts. We have amazing technical knowledge among our staff that have contributed with all kinds of different facets, whether it was understanding seed physiology, even being able to identify weeds that are that big and knowing what success looks like.
This is a mix of two species, Danthonia spicata and Danthonia compressa. My predecessor, Chrissy Boys, met these grasses in our local state forests. Her idea was to try to replicate that sort of lawn effect, so an area that's lower growing, that you can use, recreate around, but using native species that might have more benefits to insects, other organisms in the area.
Climate change is such a big issue. We need to change the paradigm on what we've been doing as the status quo. So where I see us in 10 years is actually seeing this at scale and all the benefits of our native lawn being manifest across the U.S.